Privet!
Mabuhay! Today I gonna guide you in our Osh Bazaar.
Yay! Tara!
Tara! Let's go! Jojo, horse meat.
Enjoy your food.
Thank you. Mabuhay.
Okay? Delicious. Держи.
Спасибо.
Бон аппетит.
Спасибо.
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 How much?
It's only 25 song. It's 28 cents.
What is that?
Kurut.
Skurut?
Ustrovogo. I don't know how in English. Ustrovogo. You want try? Try.
Okay, okay. Taste skurut.
This one is for women. We call it elichek.
Elichek.
This one is called back for the men. Imagine I'm wearing this one. Ukutopo. This one for our traditional dresses. If you will get married, I will wear this kind of thing. This one is we call lipyoshka. It's homemade bread. It costs only 20 cents. It's 28 cents. This is our honey.
Wow.
Fruit, your favorite. A lot of things which is made from milk. It's all fresh. So
Dairy
yeah,
products.
Dairy product. That's why there is little bit smell of dairy.
It's a good smell. Dairy smell is good.
Sour honey. This is butter. It's a different butter. It's homemade.
Oh.
You tasted right at home with my daddy.
Yeah.
This one we call kurduchi jur. It's just the fat. It's smoked fat with spices and herbs. It's lamb. This is horse meat. It's homemade kalbasa. We call it chuku. Aaron, let's try.
What? It was at this moment that he knew he f***ed up.
Chuk chuk.
Churchill, horse
Chuk.
meat. You like it?
Yeah.
This one we call kazakata. It's also part of the horse meat. It's internally organic. You're in heaven! Let's go! So in this place you can find the dry fruits, dry nuts, dry berries, and it's all natural. Looks so masarap, di ba? This is our different kind of kurut. This one is with dry apricot. I will take the biggest one. This we call nabat. It's sweet crystals. We use it with tea, even with just water. This called forest. There is a sweet, no sweet.
It's bread or?
It's kind of just sweet, the pastry part. This one is very nice. This is our salad place. You can find any. There is a spices, just salty. It looks so delicious, it makes me hungry. This is our samsa. I choose with pumpkins. There is with chicken, there is with beef as well. These big ones, they make it in tandoori. It's the biggest and heavy. This is fresh. This is we call kurnik. It's with chicken and potato. This is bilyash.
Okay, enjoy your food.
Thank you. Shashlik. This one we call shashlik. It's with chicken. It's super delicious. Do you want?
Tasty.
It's good with beer also.